Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Tnad social welfare jong sarkar jila menta kasngi ka anpu pratrik unai wing arajar arpulai kala penlong ye jing yalang ban pej halor ke jing pentrekam ye scheme ke bahapo ka Tnad lingba ke director jong ka Tnad ka kong si Dorin Lingwa haringkat ke jing don lang menteri badai pej ka Tnad social welfare ba po lingdo lembar principal secretary usampat kumar kala Kyntu de ka bakhot bat wer ki bre ki bamdei ki shinrang ni ki kintei lani ye kita ki bangila ban ong ki transgender pan wan Shakhmat na kabenta banya yo benta lem ni ki jingdon kam bat ki Jingmyntoi na ki scheme ba pair kum ki Aadhaar card ration card bat ru ko voter ID ki la ban wan mi shak office tray kam jong ka Tnad social welfare nakaliang ka kong Dorin kala ong ru ha ka bede bat ki wei pat ki benta ki ban le na ka benta gini ki breo an sadon ki jingyalang bat ru andang haban up ni ki wei pat ki Tnad tray kam jong ka sarkar nakaliang sampat kumar principal secretary jong ka Tnad ulaong bala Kyntu ki breo bakimde ban pejpo ninyo ben ye ki bakum gini ki breo henre ban sngotu ba makiru ki don ye ka benta bat ka hok ban yo ye ki Jingmyntoi kumbo yo lem ki wei pat ki para breo Hagbede bakajing bam wan mi Shakhmat kini ki breo ni ki transgender hagi benta badan kam kum hagabat have vote bat ki wei nakaliang menteri badai pen uba po lingdo ulaong baka thong hi jong ka Tnad kalong ban pendu ye jing Kyntu bat ban ben ye gini ki breo bat ru ban penlong ye jing pen sngoto pat ba hagi imlang ka salang khnang bagi pat ba kinam pet ye ki hakata krukom bak henpo bat isi ya gini ki breo
that are new, but from the discussion that we had today is that we want them to avail the prevailing schemes like Aadhaar card, then your these cards, ration cards. Those are what voter IDs also. We just want to disseminate the information that they can come to our directorate, to our department to avail these facilities. The other things that we want to do at Transgender, the meetings are going on. We are still waiting for updates from other departments, and ongoing meetings are going to be held on this.
The issues of stigma and discrimination against such sections of the society.
Yeah, that's the main thing. That's the main thing. Our job is essentially to ensure that there is no stigma, there is no discrimination. So that is the main discussions on it. That's why like we get the ID cards, we get everything that like any other.
And on that, which we are going to do capacity building and going into the schools and collaborating with them as to how to do sensitization on inclusivity. We are going to do now after the discussion that we had under the leadership of both our minister and our principal secretary. We are going to work on an agency or a consultant agency that are going to do this data collection, because it needs to be professional. Of course we know, but for it to be accurate and that we don't get sidetracked, we are waiting for a professional agency.
I ask this question because recently in the electoral rolls, the draft voters in Meghalaya. So don't you think so that these transgenders are not coming forward?
In the absence of this final professionally collected data, one, and two, in view of the stigmatization attached to transgenders, I think that explains why we have just 3 entries in the electoral rolls. So our task as a department is to destigmatize first, and to create awareness amongst society so that this vulnerable group is not made to feel that they are, they are a stigma to society, and then hence they will come forward and declare themselves as transgender.